Hey, we're up to something big. Hey, we're up to something big, AJ.
We are up to something.
I'm up to something.
Booster ignition and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. Now for forever, I've been saying I'm up to something. For like 2 months now, I've been saying I'm up to something, I'm up to something, I'm up to something. And I was going to say what it was next week. There's been all kinds of things that I've been releasing on the Facebook group with like 8 weeks to go, 7 weeks to go, 6 weeks to go, 5 little snippets and words and things that might mean something. Who knows? And red, amber, green. Yesterday was green for go. And the reason yesterday was green for go is because I'm going a week early. It was going to be next week. Can't wait that long. I'm going to explode if I don't say. I also have so much that I've been up to. As you can probably tell by this general state of me. I've been working really hard, but there's so much to say of what I've been up to that it's going to be stretched over 2 weeks. So it's going to be by the next week that you'll have learned all the things that I'm up to. But for now, this is the first half of what I've been up to. So let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, no, I'm just kidding. So I started painting when I just watched a Bob Ross video on YouTube. He said, you know, you can do it, and I believed him. What a chump. And I painted a mountain and it was rubbish, and I just kept on painting it. And I loved painting mountains, very therapeutic, and they mean something to me. Strength, resilience, endurance. Mountains are battle-tested beings as far as I'm concerned, war-torn, rough, tough. They withstand everything. And as Scenescapeshop has grown, I started painting film scenes. I was limited by talent, so I had to paint shadows and the backs of people, because you know, sometimes when I draw a face it looks like a foot. A lot of heroes in my work, a lot of resilience, a lot of tough times. And we've had some tough times, haven't we, in these last few years? And money is tight and times are tough. And art can inspire, not only when you're doing art and completing paintings and things, but when people see your artwork and resonate with it and they want to buy something of it, and it means something to them. That means the world to me. It gives me goosebumps, and it still does give me goosebumps when I get a sale and when I post a print off. I'll put a parcel together and send it off and know it's going to be in someone's house. That gives me goosebumps. That makes me feel good. With that in mind, I don't think art should be costly. I don't think it should be expensive. I don't think it should be elite. I don't think you should have to pay £150 for an art print. I think that's ridiculous. It's a print, isn't it? You know what I mean? Scenescapeshop is launching a worldwide range of free art prints. It's called the Mountain Endurance range. It's free for anyone who wants an art print. Just pay postage and packing. I know people are going to say it's $4.95 postage and packing. How come it's free? It's not free if you pay $4.95. It's just to cover the cost of me printing the print and getting it in an envelope and backed and boarded and taped up and sent to you safely and securely and quickly. Okay, Now there are 6 pictures for you to choose from in this range, that's free. And for it I've developed my own website. So it's scenescapeshopart.com is the website. And in there you'll see a little thing about me and what the range is and why I'm doing it. And each of the examples of the pictures of which ones you can choose. So whichever one means the thing to you. Everyone's got a word, right? My word is escapism. I've said that 1,000 times. And the idea of mountains and strength and endurance and resilience and all that, it's gone into painting these pictures. There's been a little bit of beauty, a little bit of hope, a little bit of faith, a little bit of power, a little bit of success, and a little bit of resilience. And it's all sort of converged and formulated into these art prints. Now, I would have been lost in the weeds if it hadn't been for a world-renowned artist and all-round awesome dude, Lloyd Cohen, and also his right-hand man and absolute legend, Doug Motel. I never know if I'm pronouncing names right, by the way. Like Lloyd Cohen, I don't know, is it Lloyd Cohen? Lloyd Cohen, like Conan the Barbarian, Lloyd Cohen, I'm not sure. Doug Motel, Doug Muttle, I'm not sure. It could be Doug Motel. Is it Doug Motel? Doug Muttle, Lloyd Cohen, Doug Muttle. I also mispronounced, top fan, Marisa. She said it was like Teresa, but that would be Marisa. Marisa? It's not Marissa. I've got a fever, can you tell? So I would have been lost if it hadn't have been for, brilliant mind and beautiful soul, Lloyd and Doug, and I thank them for their help and their patience. It's the Artist Freedom Community on Facebook. If you like the look of what I've done and you want to try it as an artist, search them out, have a look. If I can do it, you can do it. But yeah, I just wanted to shout them out and say thank you very much. He's enabled me to be able to do this. I love sending my artwork out, and I know a lot of other artists are like, you have to go for the upsell, you have to get the range, you have to try and get, try and sell 6 prints and try and, get people to buy the bigger print. Don't care. Just, if you want 1 print, that's absolutely fine with me. The idea of getting my artwork into your home is mind-blowing to me. But yeah, I'll be launching for real in the new year. I just wanted to announce what I was doing for you guys here. And say it's available now if you want it, and if you wanted some free artwork and of one of the ones that I'm about to show you, then just order it from the website and you get it free. Give me a chance to test out the process, make sure I'm doing emails properly and things like that. When you order your picture, you'll get a little note and a business card in the envelope provided, and you'll get your art print, a little Scenescapeshop wrapped sticker, and in a cardboard backed envelope to make sure it gets to you safely. And then you can do what you want with it. You can put it on display, put it on your desk, put it on your windowsill, whatever you want. Put it on your wall. Put it on your face if you want. Man, I am so ill. I get ill like 2 weeks before Christmas every single year because my body allows me to be ill before Christmas. And then I'm always fine on Christmas. But, geez Louise, this week's been tough. Right, I need to lie down before next week because I'm not going to make it otherwise. So I need to relax. I need you to watch this next 5 minutes worth of me painting these lovely pictures and maybe choosing which one that you'd like in your home. Grab that cup of coffee, will you? Put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.